Ciao, before we even get into the Pretty Little Thing package, first of all, let's get into Sephora. So I had to re-up on my Eavesdrop foundation. Love her to death. I really did not want to wear a full face over the next few days. I don't think I want to do that to myself. I'm hoping I picked up the right shade. Please, dear God, yeah. I'm shade 23. Like, they offered me another birthday gift. I already got my birthday gift like a week before my birthday, the exact same package, and I was like, I won't turn it down. I mean, I didn't tell her. She's like, you want to take your birthday gift today? And I was like, knowing damn well I already have it, and I was like, yeah, I think I'll take that one. And then I wanted to test out the Charlotte Tilbury what is it, this perfecting micro powder. I have heard so many good things from it. This is not very dark. It's it kind of just disappears in the skin, actually. I'm not even mad at it. Yeah. And then of course, these are things that I picked up a little while ago, but the Milk Hydro Grip primer. And then for skincare, I picked up the two Ordinary products. The Rose Hip Seed Oil and this caffeine solution for my under eyes. And then I've been seeing this on Instagram all over the place, but I really want to try this Topicals Fade Cream because I have a really bad scarring on the side of my cheek here from like popping my pimples, and my face was going crazy over the summer. They're not active anymore, and I just really want to get rid of the scars now. So yeah, you know, that's the skincare. That's the Sephora haul, but now I really want to get into to try on the things that I got from Her Little Thing. So let's get into it. Okay, first things first. I'm the realist, not playing. Oh my god, these are the forbidden sandals, the forbidden platform sandals that Pretty Little Thing did not want me to have. So I ordered these sandals back in like the end of July, early August, because I wanted them for my birthday so I can wear them during my brunch. They sent them back. For whatever reason, they sent them back. So I ordered them again. Somehow they made it through. Look at how cute these are. Like, what? Do you see how cute these are? They are a lot higher than I thought they would be. Oh my god. Yeah, these are some high sandals. Oh my god. Yo, the way I twisted my ankle, like, what? I'm so embarrassed. But I'm looking in the mirror and they look really, really cute. Just don't really have colored heels. I mean, like, I have these blue heels from Zara that I picked up for a wedding back in July, and I love them to bits. However, they are extremely small. Like, they're just ridiculous size. Like, so these are so cute, and they match my nails. Do you see my nails? Do you see? And I think these are wide. These are like a wide fit as well, so I love that about those. Let me show you these sandals on. The sandals that almost killed me. Do we like? Okay, it says 7 on the bottom. However, it's fitting like a 9, so maybe it's just like the European 7. Oh, these are so cute. I kind of wish I got my toes done a different color. Like, I was trying to do this off-white thing, and I ended up doing like some sort of lilac-y color. It is what it is, but I kind of wish I didn't. When I tell you I'm not a hot pink girl, like, I literally, for the first time ever, I bought like this hot pink shirt from Aritzia this summer. I still haven't worn it yet. Like, it's just, hot pink is just not really my color, but I kind of feel like I want to step out of my element a little bit. So we're gonna give this a try and see how it looks. I'm not gonna lie, she's cute, but it looks a little bit big. I think in my head I was thinking of like pictures, I was like, okay, I would look fire in this. But now that I have it on, I'm just kind of like, do I look fire in this? Like, would I wear this with, I feel like I'd much rather wear this with light shoes. But I also just feel like it's just not really me. But this would be cute on someone, you know. I just don't think it's me. I just want to be me. She's cute, you know. I think with like light shoes, the cute like statement purse, like overall it fits decently. I just don't think it like fits amazing. Okay, so this dress, it is a pretty much maxi slip dress. It's giving, when I saw this, I was thinking of like the Skims dress. I like it, like it's comfortable, it's not see-through at all, it's very opaque, goes all the way down to my ankles, and I'm a cool 5'9", cool 5'9" and a half. So I'm really liking the way this is fitting. This is kind of fire. I'm not gonna lie, this is kind of fire. Something, I don't know, because I don't really know what's supposed to be happening here. But I feel like this is so cute. Like, it accentuates my body, shows off my tattoo. Like, it's just so cute. I would definitely wear this like for like a day party or like out to brunch or something. Brown bag like this. I just love. We love. Pretty little thing. Count your days. I was actually looking so forward to trying this dress on, you know. Green is my favorite color. Tell me why it arrived with the string like this. Even the way the other side of this is sewn on is so trash. Like, why would y'all do that? This dress, also was looking forward to wearing this. It's just fitting really loose, really big. It says it's a 4, but it feels like a 6 or 8. So honestly, I feel like it might be falsely, like wrongly labeled. Yeah, it still says it's a US 4 on the bottom. I don't know, man. It fits, it's like really, really big. It might just be the material, I don't really know, but it's definitely not a 4. I'll tell you that. We made it.
It's not me while I'm eating my donut.
Anyway. So, en route to Rolling Loud 2022, Toronto. We were supposed to board 7 minutes ago. Actually, maybe 10 now. But no one's boarding, as you can see.
Camera has good quality. Your camera has good quality.
Does it? I feel like it looks a little grainy. Are you excited for Toronto?
So excited.
Show your excitement. Scream.
Yay.
Not Black Power. That was the Black Power fist. That wasn't
Black
excitement.
No, that's like when Mario jumps up.
Oh. Oh. But you didn't make the noise, so how would I know that was when Mario jumps up? Is that what it sounds like?
Yeah. Mario.
Okay.
With an Italian accent, like a high-pitched voice. Mario.
The thing you do.
blasting. Good morning. Can y'all even see me? Oh my god, I'm so low. Welcome back to my digital sanctuary. My name is Azariela Chalk. How you doing? How you feeling? How are you living? We are vlogging our Rolling Loud experience in Toronto. Yesterday was the first day here. We got here like a little bit later in the evening. My skin looks so crusty. I wish I brought like a face mask with me. I am on that time of the month. Like, I'm just so cheesed right now because being at a festival on my period, like, that's the last thing I want to do. Like, that is the last thing I want to do. Especially, like, I have white outfits as well. Like, I have a white dress that I want to wear. Like, it's just giving My Bloody Valentine. Like, it's giving Carrie. Like, why am I on my period? Why am I on my period? Like, I'm so mad. And I knew it was coming. I was looking at my period tracker and it said that it would start on Saturday. So I thought I would at least have this day to like chill, you know, live my life, do what free fun women do, you know, just live my life. But no. I don't know if I vlogged the days leading up to this, but I literally split my big toe so freaking bad. And then I went to the salon to fix it because I was like, yo, there's no way I'm about to go to Toronto with no big toe. Like, what? I'm not going to Toronto with no big toe. So I fixed it. Was that smart? Maybe not, you know, because it still really hurts. It still really hurts. So I'm just hoping I don't stub it on anything. I need to like file it down. That's what I'm realizing I need to do because I don't even know why I got it any type of long. The lighting in here is very yellow. It's a lot more yellow than I thought it would. I look like a Simpson. The Simpsons. Dun, 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 dun. No. No, 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 no. Yeah, I look like a Simpson right now. I changed the lighting to ambiance fluorescent grading, and that looks a lot better. Okay. Yay! We don't look like Simpsons. The Simpsons. Another thing about this hotel, it does not have shower caps. Like, I don't understand. I've never been to a hotel that didn't have shower caps, so I'm gonna have to use a garbage bag to shower. Like I'm in the ghetto. Anywho, let's talk about Rolling Loud. So all 3 days of the festival, we have Dave headlining the first night, which is tonight, Friday. Tomorrow night is Future, and Sunday night WizKid is closing out the festival. I'm excited. And then in there we got a few other artists sprinkled in there. I'm really just gonna read out names that I care about. So for me, the names that I care about: Lil Uzi Vert, Rema, Shensia. That's about it. I don't really care if we go like later today, like, to be honest. One of our friends from here is saying she's trying to go like around 8 p.m. I'm not opposed to that, to be honest. Batman looking good in the air. Batman drip to the car. Sport guys. I bought this gel deodorant by accident and was completely horrified. But honestly, now that I've used it enough, because I already bought it, like, I kind of like it. Like, it's cooling. I feel like the scent doesn't last as long, but I like that it's cooling. And regardless, I'm always gonna pair my deodorant with, like, my stick deodorant with this spray deodorant, no matter what. It don't matter. It don't matter what day. What night, I'm gonna do it. So, it's literally, the sink is on the countertop. And I don't mean on the countertop, like, obviously, duh, it's gonna be on the countertop. Like, the sink where the water drips is, like, on the countertop. On the countertop. Why are you on the countertop? Get off. Like, I really want to show you what the hell I'm talking about right now. That is not on the countertop. That is centimeters from the countertop. This is centimeters from the countertop. Get off. Why are you there? Like, back up. Wait, mom at? Someone's knocking on the door? Or is that our door or someone else's?
I just knocked on wood.
Oh. Oh, I was like...
I literally just said knock on wood.
Yo, I don't know what it is about this housekeeping coming in that's like creeping me out, but like, I keep anticipating it.
You're gonna come with a camera like, ha!
Got your ass!
You know how I be like, bing. Got him. You thought we were gonna come, huh? Huh? You thought we were gonna pull up this morning, huh? Well, look at you now.
In your underwear.
In your underwear.
This looks good. This is the burger on naan with onion rings. I got... Oh, that looks so good. Okay, this is I think blackened chicken or some sort of chicken over mashed potatoes and veggies.
I'ma scale on the mountains, just so you can know that you found it. Then you always say. All of my friends love. Let me tell you something. Let's go.
Your parents will be able to get parents.